Let's talk about Zoku Chocolate Station, White, 1. Drip, drizzle and sprinkle your Quick Pops, making them even more mouth-watering than before. Add a chocolate shell and sprinkles to your Zoku Quick Pops. Includes 1 chocolate station, 1 drizzle spoon, 2 sprinkle trays, 1 cover, and a recipe booklet. The unit can make up to 6 pops before refreezing the unit again. Dimensions: 4.25 by 5.5 by 5.6. No way to reheat or keep the chocolate hot, so after a few dips it will start gelling and being unusable.